This is the Wire Resistance Interactive Calculator, which calculates electrical resistance and related parameters for different wire configurations. Let's explore the interface. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options: Calculate Resistance, Calculate Required Length, Calculate Required Diameter, Calculate Required Cross-Section, Calculate Voltage Drop, or Calculate Power Loss. For this demo, we're using Calculate Resistance. Next, choose your wire material. Options include copper, aluminum, silver, gold, tungsten, nickel, constantan, or custom value. We're selecting copper. Now enter your parameters. Resistivity at 20 degrees Celsius is 1.68 E-8 ohm meters. Temperature coefficient alpha is 0.00393 per degree Celsius. Wire length is 100 meters. Wire diameter is 2.053 millimeters. Cross-section area is 3.31 square millimeters. Operating temperature is 75 degrees Celsius. Target resistance is 0.5 ohms. Current is 10 amperes. Click Calculate. The results show resistance at 20 degrees Celsius is 0.507506 ohms. Resistance at operating temperature increases to 0.617204 ohms due to thermal effects. The calculator confirms our cross-section area as 3.3103 square millimeters and wire diameter as 2.0530 millimeters. Wire length remains 100 meters. Voltage drop, power loss, and power per meter show NA since we selected resistance calculation mode. Find the link in the description below